Alright. Hi, I'm Ryder Worley. I go to Lakeside High School. Today we're going to be using the t3700 tire machine. So basically what this is used for is for obviously changing out tires, putting new rims on tires, you know, vice versa, that kind of thing. So, first of all, we can start with the tire. This kind of tire right here is an asymmetrical tire. You can tell because it's not the same on either side. Now, first step to doing this is you'll take off your valve stem, which I already did, and then in there you can see that little circle, there is a valve port. So to do that, you need this tool right here, and you can see there's ridges on each side, so you can kind of lock in there and take it out. Obviously lefty-loosey, so do that like so. As you can see, there you go. So, place it on the table. And the first thing that you're gonna do, which I already did, is you're gonna use the side shovel right there to break it off. But I need to go do the back bead, so very important, you don't want this to be facing that at all. It'll destroy the tire. So when I do this, I'm going to make sure that that is facing the complete opposite direction. So you can see, you can scoot it back a little bit. There we go. So when you do this, you can come over here. When you do this, you want to make sure that it is not on the rim, but against the tire. So then you just press down the pedal. Pressure. And as you can see, it pops it right off. Perfect. Alright. A little bit extra, but I mean, hey, it does the job. Let me make sure you get it all around. Generally, you can also get that side too, but it's off. So anyway, you put this right on here. This is the tire mount. Now, you can see there's a nipple there, and you want to line it up with that, but you also want to make sure that that valve stem that I talked about is facing right up here. That would be ideal. So, do it like that. Perfect. Then you want to line it up, I guess, kind of as far in the middle as it'll go. It's okay if that's not perfectly up there. Generally, shouldn't protect it too much. Then you have this. This is the tire lock. What you do is you put it in there. You kind of feel it down, you twist. That locks it into place. Then you can take these two and twist it like that. And then this will just twist. I'm gonna get about hand tight. But that's pretty good. Now, take this and just put it right there. And then you want to fit this as well. Forgot the name, but hey, shit happens. And you can put that kind of down like that. And you just kind of want to bend it up and over the duck nose, the head. It kind of looks like a duck. And so once you have it like that, then you can press down on the rotation pedal right here that spins it clockwise. And you just want to keep your hand like that. You just want to get it like that. And that'll come out, and then you can just continue going on with it, like so. So as you can see now, the tire's out of the top of the rim, the top bead. So what you can do is and try to use that again. Typically the way that it works is you'll take this, you'll go over the head of the duck right there where you can see the ridge, and you will try to aim, if you can get under there, try to put it under the bottom of the rim, right there, and then you can do the exact same thing. So once you do that, then you can try to aim it out and just kind of get it off, like so. Then you can do this. So I'll kind of take it out, so you can see now the tire's off. So now the tire's off, you put that bar back in there. Then you want to be able to go take this and you want to get some tire with it. So right here, just get a good little mount on the brush there, and you just want to just one little coat against the outer edge of it on both sides. So I'll get a little bit more. Just want to get it like that. There you go. All right. Now, let's see. You can tell which side the tire is on because of that white mark. So this is the bottom of the tire, and this part is the top. So what you can do is you can put it back on like that.
Because a lot of people look for blended and shit. Well, first blended and then was teaching me how to do it.
Okay, so now that it's like this, come here real quick. Alright, you can see that is like the tail of it, and that's like the head. So what you want to do is over like the tail, under the head. And generally, you can just kind of hold it like that. You should be able to press down on it. It's aligned right on. Hold on. Here we go. It should find a way to make its way back on there. Here you go. So now, put the bottom part on, and then you can take this part again, put it over there, make sure that's under the head, and you can get the top part on. So you can see its way, kind of, it grabs like that, and it goes on there like so. Boom. All right, now, what you can do, it's actually pretty convenient enough. It's in the right spot. I'll move it just a little bit just for convenience. So what you can do is you can take this air hose right here. Just want to take it like that. Connect it right there. Oh, here we go. And you're going to want to push down on the tire to make sure that it is on that back bead as much as possible. Then that's your air pedal right there. So now you're going to want to press up on the tire like so. Boom. Then you can read right there. And you want to go up to 35 PSI. So keep on getting it. That's about 5. About 15. That wasn't good. 25. 30. Close enough. I mentioned before, you have these two ridges like so. You just want to pop that out. Put it back in there and twist. And let it get just snug. You don't want to get too tight. So now you can hear it's got air in it and it's done. Now, you have the lock again. So the easiest way to go about it is just twist that off so it's not hand tight no more. Like that. You can twist these back up. That makes it easier for you to get out. And then you can push down, twist, and it should just wiggle right back up. You put it right back into its mounting place, and boom. You just learned how to take off a tire and put a tire back on. So good for you. Now, we have a series of parts that we can go about. Or the this is the upper bead roller, lower bead roller. There's a mirror so you can see what you're doing. This thing right here is the bead roller assembly. This right here is the command unit. And right there is where you put your lube. And yeah, so there you go.